Meaning of heroism.
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 Heroism. Heroism refers to the qualities and actions of a hero, someone who exhibits exceptional bravery, courage, selflessness, and moral fortitude in the face of adversity or danger. Heroism is often associated with acts of valor and sacrifice, including risking one's own life to save others or protect a higher cause. The embodiment of heroism inspires admiration, respect, and gratitude from society, and serves as a powerful force for good in times of crisis. Ultimately, heroism represents the highest ideals of humanity and the potential for greatness that lies within each of us.